Hi friends and families, it's Miss Amanda. I have a game that you can play together that works on some math skills. All you'll need is a die or dice, and if you don't have one at home, you can use an app where you can just press or shake your phone and it'll roll them for you. Then you need some items, and I have some corn because we're talking about farm this week. You could also use some Fruit Loops. You could use beads that you have at home, or you could use another kind of cereal. Just make sure that if you're playing with little ones around, you just watch to make sure they don't put those in their mouth. So the math skill that we're working on with this game is giving a number of objects when asked. So how you're going to play the game is you'll roll the die or dice, and then you'll give your person you're playing with that many items. Let's try it. I'm going to have my pile of corn right here, ready, and then let's start with just one die. So I roll my die, and I rolled a 5. So I would count out 5 pieces of corn. You could count these together or see if your child could do it all on their own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I give that to the person I'm playing with. Then it would be their turn to roll their die. 3. They would have to give me 3 pieces of corn. You may know that's 3 without even having to count. If you want to make it a little harder, you could use more than one die. You can use dice. That's a 3 and that's a 4. You could have your child count these up more than one way. You could have them start with the bigger one and then add on 4, 5, 6, 7. Or if that's too hard, you can have them count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a simple introduction to addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I give my person I'm playing with 7 pieces of corn, and then it would be their turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 4 make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could end this game in a couple different ways. You could end when you guys are done playing, and then you could look who looks like they have more corn and who looks like they have less corn. Or you could play to a number. You could say who can get to 20 pieces of corn fastest. This is a very open-ended game, and you could help your child more or less depending on their age and skill level. I'll see you later, alligator.